Ever wondered if your homegrown tomatoes are merely a delightful hobby, or if they might play a part in the fight against climate change? Today, we delve into the complex climate truth about these sun-ripened fruits we often mistake for vegetables. We often hear about the carbon footprint of our food, but seldom do we consider the climate impact of our homegrown produce. Firstly, growing your tomatoes can be a fantastic way to reduce your carbon footprint. By eliminating the need for transportation and packaging, you're already making a substantial cut in greenhouse gas emissions. It's a simple truth, but one that holds a lot of weight. However, the climate truth of homegrown tomatoes isn't all sunshine and ripe fruit. It gets a tad more complicated when we consider the resources that go into your gardening efforts. The water, the fertilizers, the compost, they all have their own carbon footprints. And in regions where water is scarce, the environmental cost can be significant. Furthermore, depending on where you live and the time of year, growing tomatoes might require a greenhouse or indoor lighting system, both of which require energy. So if your energy source isn't renewable, your homegrown tomatoes might be contributing to greenhouse gas emissions in a roundabout way. But there's a silver lining. You can make your tomato growing endeavor more climate friendly. By using organic compost, rainwater harvesting, and natural pest control methods, you can reduce the carbon footprint of your tomatoes. And when it comes to indoor growing, solar-powered systems are your best friend. So, what's the complex climate truth about homegrown tomatoes? Well, like many things in life, it's not black and white. Yes, they can help reduce your carbon footprint by cutting out transportation and packaging emissions. But the resources used in their cultivation can add to their climate impact. In essence, the climate truth of your homegrown tomatoes lies in your hands. By making thoughtful choices, you can ensure your garden is a force for good in the fight against climate change. So next time you bite into a juicy homegrown tomato, remember, its climate impact is determined not just by nature, but also by your gardening practices.